Hey guys, my name's Stephanie, Miss Kangen Girl. I'm going to show you here why we have made the change to Kangen Water. I want you to know that the truth is you've never been hydrated if you're drinking these beverages right here. So I am going to show you that by sharing with you about how we make tea, and I want you to think that this tea is like your body, okay? It's representing your body in this demonstration, and normally what we do to water to make tea is we will actually boil it first, right? Now, consider that when you boil water, what you are doing is that you're actually making the water thinner because you're actually turning a liquid into a gas. If you were to leave the water for about an hour, you'd come back to no more water because it evaporated. So, now, what we have here is Dasani, and I am going to try to make tea with Dasani. And we can see that if I try to make tea with Dasani, I'm going to leave it in there a little bit longer, dip it around. Well, we can see that there is no tea. I mean, we got a little bit of tea, but let me show you the difference. So I'm going to put the same tea bag here. I'm going to open up the Kangen machine. And what we're going to see is that as we instantly pour the Kangen water, check that out. We are actually making tea instantly. Isn't that amazing? Wow. So what I'm going to show you next is what about if we're drinking Aquafina? So here we have Aquafina, and we are seeing something very similar to Dasani, and this is why I like to say regular bottled water has never really hydrated you. I'm going to do another tea with Kangen, and so as we turn on the water, our Kangen water machine is going to make water, and I'm passing it really slow so that you can see, wow, how instantly is literally making tea. Increase the flow a little bit as the machine requested, but check that out. Instantly, it will literally make tea. That is amazing. Check that out. Now, and it actually tastes like tea too. It's delicious. We actually see a little bit of tea here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the machine one more time. And I'm going to show you that with just a few drops of Kangen, check that out, how we're even bringing out tea on these cups. And now come and take a look. I've got 4 glasses of tea. Isn't that amazing? What there is to do, guys, if you're going to be spending money on this anyway, you're going to end up paying for a machine and not having it. Okay? This is affecting the planet, so we need to get rid of the bottle. And this is the best way we can do it. Right? So we can make our water at home. You're going to hydrate better. You're going to feel better. I'm telling you, it's the best thing we can do for our health. If this is your first time watching it, go ahead and check out more of our videos. But take a look how the Kangen is going to hydrate your body, and make sure you make that change for you and your family. Thanks, and we'll catch you on the next one.